In this video, we will write a Python function that will calculate and output the area and perimeter of a rectangle. The function should take the length and width of the rectangle as parameters. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to define a function, and I'll call it rectangle, that takes length and width as parameters. Alright, so we can start with the area, and so I'll create a variable called area, and to get the area of a rectangle, you just do length times width, like so. And I can go ahead and print this. So I'll say print the area is, comma, let me pass in my area variable, and then I can just say units, just to make it a little nicer. Alright, and now I can do perimeter. So I'll say perimeter equals, and I think this is 2 times length plus width. Alright, and then I can just print that as well. The perimeter is, comma, perimeter, and then I'll just say units again, because why not? Alright, and let's try it out. So I'll call my function rectangle, and I can pass in the length. I can make that 2, and then 3. Alright, and let's try running it. Alright, we get 6 units for the area and 10 units for the perimeter. And that seems to be right. So let's try some different values here. Let's do 3.5, 2.6. Let's run it again. And we get 9.1 and 12.2. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have a prompt you'd like me to try, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for your time.